Have you ever run your tongue along your teeth near the gum line and felt a tiny notch? A small groove that you swear wasn't there before? Most people assume it's from brushing too hard, or that it's always been like that. But the truth is far more serious. That little notch has a name: dental abfraction. And it's one of the most overlooked warning signs in dentistry, especially in the United States and Canada. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what abfraction is, what causes it, and what really happens if you choose to ignore it. Let's start with the basics. A dental abfraction is a V-shaped or wedge-shaped loss of tooth structure right at the neck of the tooth, near the gum line. It's not a cavity, which is caused by bacteria and tooth decay, and it's not just abrasion from brushing. Abfraction is caused primarily by excessive biomechanical forces on your teeth. Think of your tooth like a small tree branch. When you bend a branch, the stress concentrates at one point, and the bark starts to crack. Your tooth behaves the same way. Every time the force on your bite is unbalanced, the neck of the tooth flexes microscopically. Over time, layer by layer, the enamel fractures and a notch forms. So where do these forces come from? The number one cause is bruxism, unconscious clenching or grinding, especially at night. Nighttime grinding produces forces far stronger than regular chewing. The second major cause is malocclusion, meaning your bite doesn't align properly. If one or two teeth take most of the force every time you bite, the enamel at the gum line begins to break down. Add to that an acidic diet, erosion from sodas or citrus, and aggressive brushing, and the damage speeds up dramatically. Now let's talk about what happens if you ignore an abfraction. The progression is slow but predictable. The first stage is sensitivity. Once enamel wears away, the dentin underneath becomes exposed. This layer contains microscopic tubules that lead straight to the nerve. Suddenly, cold water, hot coffee, or something sweet sends a shock through your tooth. The second stage is decay. That sharp V-shaped notch becomes a perfect trap for plaque and bacteria. It's extremely hard to clean, which increases your risk for cavities, gum inflammation, and tooth decay directly inside the notch. The third stage is structural weakening. The forces continue daily: clenching, grinding, uneven bite pressure. The notch deepens year after year. At this point, the tooth is no longer just slightly damaged. Its entire structure is compromised, like sawing into the base of a tree. And then comes stage 4, catastrophic failure. Many patients describe eating something soft, hearing a crack, and realizing the tooth has snapped at the gum line. When that happens, treatment becomes expensive and invasive. Often the tooth needs a root canal, a post, and a crown. In the worst cases, the tooth must be extracted and replaced with a dental implant or bridge, all because the original warning sign was ignored. So what should you do? First, address the cause. A dentist may recommend an occlusal adjustment to balance the bite, orthodontic treatment to correct alignment, or a custom night guard to protect the teeth from grinding forces. Only after the cause is controlled should the notch itself be repaired. Bonding the area with tooth-colored composite helps protect the dentin, reduce sensitivity, restore the tooth shape, and prevent further plaque buildup. In severe cases, a full crown may be needed to stabilize the tooth and prevent fracture. Make sure you're using a soft bristled toothbrush, a non-abrasive toothpaste, and paying attention to early signs like jaw soreness, morning headaches, or visible wear on the biting edges of your teeth. If this breakdown helped you understand what's really happening inside your tooth, subscribe for more dental education and 3D medical animation content. Share your experience with tooth sensitivity or notches in the comments, and send this video to someone who might be ignoring their own warning signs. It could save them from serious pain and very expensive dental treatment.